Claim that. Yes.
I'm begging you.
What is up, location fans? It's your boy, Natsert, and we're playing Subway Surfers again with the new map called Barcelona. So, let's go. But before we start, make sure you subscribe because if you did, I would appreciate it. And you wanna know how did I know Barcelona? Well, here's the story. The year it was 1947. I liked the place and it was beautiful. And I met the girl and I fall in love with her.
What?
Okay, so let's do it. Welcome to the new season hunt, Barcelona. Okay, got it? Okay, claim it. Yeah! 91, nice! Claim. Okay then. Okay, let's play so we can do everything, and glad your police suits is back. Whoa, everything is blue. Oh, there. Okay. Oh, there's the S. Star. Okay. Whoa. It's beautiful. This place is literally beautiful. Not gonna lie. Oh, the T. Nice. Okay.
You mean this?
Not that kind.
Now we're doing something. If not cursive. Go up. Okay, the magnet. Whoa, okay. That was good. Oh yes, the A. Okay. That's good. And the token. Okay then. Okay, now we're doing something. Okay, the R. The last one. Word hunt complete. Okay, thank you. Up. There's the star there. Because I was blind. Oh yes, it come back. Thanks, Jesus. Okay, the token there. Okay. That's good. Oh yes, the jetpack. So that means I'm a rocket man. Okay, no time from Elton John. Go up. Shoes. Okay. What? Again? Oh, okay. That's close. Geez, I thought it's something else. Oh, okay. Yes. Again. It always happens all the time. Again and again. Whoa, okay. That's close. Oh, the key. Yes, so close. And there's the token. Up. I miss it. There's you, Martha Stewart.
What would Martha Stewart say?
Okay, the magnet. Dang it. I was too close to that. Okay, the shoes. Again. Again. Oh, yes. Okay, that's good. Okay, the jetpack. Yes. Alright, we need to do something. So that way I can do anything. Okay, the magnet. That was actually close. Okay. Oh, there's the shoes there. Okay. Whoa. Again. Whoa, okay. Yes. Okay, the key again. Because you left your key.
I forgot my keys.
Go up. Okay, the magnet. Yes, the star. Finally. Okay, we need to do something fast. Yes, again. Why did I say yes? I don't know to you because I got the token. Okay. Alright, the magnet. Okay, looks like we're doing something. Okay, the star. So I guess we're doing something but not from Casablanca. Sorry, Ingrid Bergman! Okay, the token. Okay, the shoes. Oh, we almost get the last one. Nice. Okay, the star. Whoa, okay. I can breathe for that. Okay, looks like I'm focusing. Again. Go up. Magnet. Okay. Where's the last one? Oh, okay. The shoes. Okay, the star. Oh, yes. Okay. Alright. Playing that. Yes. Oh yes, more head start. Yeah, baby. Do this. Okay. Alright. Okay, the star. Am I so slow? It looks like I'm slow. Oh, there's the token. Great. Yes. Go up. Okay, the magnet. Oh yes, the mystery box. Go up. Magnet again. Because he won't say hello to my friend.
Say hello to my little friend.
Okay, the shoes this time. Man, I used so many shoes. Okay. Oh, I can get it. Okay, the shoes. Okay, we really need to focus. We need to, man. Because there's the shoes. Whoa, okay. Oh, okay, the magnet. Oh, yes. Okay. Again. Because I'm so sweaty. Wait, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, so let's go. Okay, we need to do something. Okay. Yes, the star. So I guess we're doing something. Okay, the shoes. Okay, then. Whoa! Oh, there it is. Yes! Okay, the magnet. Okay, then. Whoa! Nice try. Oh, yes, the star. So I guess we're doing something. But what if not? Okay. Again. Alright, we need to do something. And there's the shoes. Okay, then. So I guess we're doing something. And I don't know if we are. Because you're not giving me some chance. Again. The shoes again. Whoa, okay. Oh, okay. Yes. Alright. Oh, the star. Okay. Whoa. I thought I got hurt. Go up. Okay, the magnet. Nice. So, are we good? Yeah! Go up. And there's the magnet again.
But you didn't get it.
Oh, the jetpack. Okay. Okay. Yes. I should not change my mood. Oh yes, go up. Shoes. Oh yes. Okay. You're kidding me, right?
I wish I was.
Okay, the magnet. Okay, I don't know if we still got this. Oh yes, the mystery box. Go up. Okay. And there's the token. Yes. Again. Why there's so many?
Wanna know why?
Because of you.
Okay, the star. Go up. Yes. Whoa, that's a good try. Oh, yes. Okay. Whoa, okay. Okay, we're doing good. Yep, I knew it. Oh, there's the shoes again. Why there's always a shoes? Up. I was so dumb. Okay. Alright then. Yes. Okay. Okay, we need to do something fast and quick. Oh yes. Okay. Alright. Where's the last one? Where's the last one, Natsert? Where is the last one, Natsert? I don't think we're good because Natsert is dumb. Yep, he's dumb. Oh, Natsert, you're not that dumb. So he's going to die. Yeah. Alright. Okay, claim it. Okay then. Oh, more booster. Yeah, baby. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Give a thumbs up if you want to see more. Then let me know in the comments if you want to. But hope you follow me on Facebook, Messenger, TikTok, Instagram, Discord, and Pinterest, and everything. So, peace out. Location on my videos. Okay, so it's sunny day. Yep, it was.
I love it